Hello everyone, so welcome to my video. In today's video we're going to discuss how to make the notification in React. So this is the small little project to demonstrate how to do it. So this is the final result look like. So use custom. This is like the custom notification, and this is like the default built-in from the library that we're going to use to do this one. So alright, this is it. It's really easy, and in order to do this we need to use this React library called React Notification Component, and it's super easy and it's really interesting. So I'll leave the link in the description. You should check it. It's really well documentation, and let's see we actually do it in code. Alright, so let's get started. Alright, so here I'm using VS Code. So I'm already created a project, empty project already. So it's just like yeah, there's nothing in here. So if now I'm run the app, so let's see. Alright, okay. So this is the React notification, and first we need to import the library that we need to do this. So first make sure that you install from the this one. I already done it, and the next is to install the animation.css just to animate it to look it's better. So then we need to import this one. Go ahead and copy this one. It's like copy and paste. Yeah, that's what we do. Alright, so then we going to do store. So this is like from the library. So if you're curious like what's going on, you can check it. Like this is how we make the notification with the store functions objects. And next we need to import the animation.css. Yep. Oh no, just animations. Animation.css. Next we need to import the React notification component. I think like they have one thing here. Wait, let me go and grab this one. Okay, this is one like the CSS theme. Okay, cool. And that's it. That's all we need to import. Like, right now, let me do this way. Oh, this is my old code. Like, okay. So first we need to import the component, the React component that we install, that we import right here, this one. And then we're going to create the component, that home component, one home component. So in home component I'm gonna create it down here. So let's say I do homes. So we do like so this I'm gonna just return the button. Return this div one and button. Buttons. So let's say I'm gonna say like default. Alright, so let's see what does it look like now. Alright, so now we have the when we click this button, and we should see the notification pop up. So alright, so this now we're gonna handle on this click. So okay, so on click equal to handle on clicks, I say like default. So this is like for the default component, like for the default notification. Alright. So okay, so what do we need to do? So if you look at the documentation, this is where the store is really helpful and it's really useful. So we call the store dot add notification. Add notification. Oops. Add notification, and then like this. So there's some property that we need to add here. So the first one is the title. What is the title of our notification? Let's say new cut edit. And what is the message? So the message say just Tom edit cut. And what else? So we need to do So this one we need to type what kind type of like of a notification. Is it success, is it danger? There's 3 of this one, like 4 I guess if we go back to into the documentation. So as you can see, there are type here: success, danger, warning. So alright, so now I'm just going to use the success type. Success type. Alright, so let's see. So now if I click on this one, nothing to show up. And then it's like container. Alright, so what it actually like. So the container here is like to where do we want to show the notification. So I go into top right, show top right, and one more is insert top right. Insert top. Cool. So now if you go back, click. So it's container. Did I misspell it? Container top right. Yes, I think. Why? There's a right here. Container top right. Cool. You can see. So it's right here. So we want to have some animation with this one. So alright, cool. So let's do animation. So animations in. So then we do animated, fade in, and then animation out, and we do fade out, on out, animated, fade out. Alright, cool. So we go back, see, and then if I click, see, okay, cool. So now we can do animation in and out. And so let's see how to like it's automatically dismiss. So dismiss. So this is like an object. So let's say duration. How many seconds do you want to keep it? So I do like 200 2 seconds. Let's say this one 1 2. Yeah, it's fade out. You can click multiple and 1 2 3. Yes, that's it. That's cool. And one more is like how to do we need to keep the width keep the width, how to add the width. So the width so I'm gonna give it 600. It's CSS, so alright, cool. So it's long right here, so it's good. By default it's completely responsive for you. If let's go ahead and on your phone, if you click, it is responsive no matter how like the width is like changed, but it's responsive. Alright, so now if you want to see the icon, just go in here, just show icon to true, and we do this, and you click and you can see the close icon. Alright, yeah, that was cool. That was super easy. And so last but not least is to how do we make our own define our own component, like not component, our own custom notification. So in order to do that, I need to create another button for here. So I'm gonna call it custom component custom. So I'm gonna just handle on click for this one. Alright, so then I'm going to copy this one, and I'm actually gonna delete here. So what you need is to delete all this too, the types that we don't need, and keep everything here. The width we don't need as well, and the duration and the show icon. Yeah, we can keep this way. Okay, so now how do we define our own custom rather than just this all the way green like this here? So in order to do that, we need to do content here. Content, and then we pass our component into this content. So I can call it notify. Like, okay, yeah, notify, my notify. Notify. Like this. So then I'm going to create it at the bottom here. Functions, my notify. And it's going to return a div of class. So let's say this is the title. So we want to h1 to be like new cut edit, and then the h5 h4 like terms edit the cut. Alright, cool. So now if I go custom, this is it. So this is our custom. This is our default, and this is a custom. So you can change the custom, like the background of the custom. So let's say where it should be. So I'm gonna give it at the bottom right, at bottom left. And we can go to the bottom as well. And then we can change this one to, I'm using Bootstrap here. Like do it BG primary. And then text Y. So now if I do custom, yeah, just like that. And then if I do default, this is default. I think default might be a little better, but yeah, I don't know. This depends on you, which one you like. So I think that's it, guys, for this video. And I hope you like this one. And don't forget to like and subscribe, and